As you guys can tell, we do obey by the laws. Our guns are not loaded right now. Always be safe when you go hunting. Always be mindful of the rules and everybody around you.
There it goes right there. On your side. You see it? I just watched it come out of that right there.
There you go. Got him.
Where at? I didn't even see him. Oh. That's why I didn't see him. Well, he must have held tight or something. Told you I seen one. That might be a different one though. God, flew a bunch of fucking fur everywhere.
Where'd I get him at?
I don't know, but it was a good shot. I know that. He's dead. There goes one. Another one. He took off up there, but I couldn't get a shot because he's behind this. Went behind that wood right there. There he goes. Yeah. Kind of scared to shoot him. I don't know if that's the only one left right here or not. I should have shot at it anyway. Time I got my bead on it though, I didn't know where it went. I would have just been trying to randomly shoot. Where'd he go?
I don't see him come out.
He jumped out right here somewhere.
I didn't see him come out. But that ain't nothing new. We normally have the best luck right here.
Yeah. I got another one right there.
What?
Camera right there on that tree.
Drop in.
Yeah, right there in front of you. Looking up that way. Must be a big buck out here. Kind of like a deer put a toe on it. Scraped it up a little bit, but it's a big ass tree. Normally big bucks rub on trees like that. Huh.
We're out here, Chuck. We know they are.
It was a fast one, wasn't he? I didn't even see. I figured they're all gonna run that way. Still 100%.
That's a nice apple. I hit right here. He took off right there, but straight.
Yeah, they're all gonna run for that corn.
We go straight right here. We'll run into my truck.